The National Police crackdown on drink driving continues, and after a week it's reported that 140 drivers face losing their driving licence and will be appearing in court in relation to drink driving. If you appear in relation to drink driving, it means that you face a minimum mandatory ban of 12 months. So that's the starting point for the court. You're not going to get less than that unless a sheriff considers it appropriate to put you on a drink drive rehabilitation scheme that can reduce the period by 25%. It looks like the police have been extremely active over the whole of Scotland, and the reports are showing that there have been arrests from all over, reported Aberdeen, Arbroath, Glasgow, Elgin, with some remarkable cases being referred to there with pretty high readings. If you have a reading that's over 3 times the limit, then you not only face the mandatory ban, you also face the distinct possibility that your car will be forfeited. So be aware that it's not just your driving licence, your livelihood and whatever relies on your licence, but also your car that may well be taken. So the campaign's up and running. The police are pressing now for more information on drink drivers and saying that neighbours, friends, relatives, anybody that has any information about a possible drink driver should be calling the police, getting in touch with them, and they'll take action based on that information. Now, whether that starts to bring us all into the world of the police state, I don't know, but nobody accepts drink driving in Scotland. You're regarded as a social pariah if you're involved in anything like that. We're all aware that it's not acceptable. However, people are charged, and there are unusual circumstances in these cases, and each individual case has to be treated just like that. Look into the details behind it, and you usually find that there's a real serious story behind that that's important, and it's important that the court understand exactly why the drink driving has occurred. If you're in that type of situation, then it would be wise to speak to a solicitor to get an informed opinion about just what to do with your case and what can be presented in court to try to mitigate the situation and provide the court with the full background. It's a bit unfair to expect to attend court and just be able to provide all the information yourself. It's an intimidating environment, and it makes a great deal of sense to speak to a solicitor before you go to court. Even if you decide not to instruct a solicitor, speak to a lawyer, get information and advice about how to proceed with your case and find out about the procedures, and then decide whether you want to instruct a solicitor. If you have been stopped by the police in the recent campaign, you'll have been given what's called a police bail undertaking. That's a form to attend a particular court on a particular date and time. Make sure you see a solicitor before then. If you want to get in touch with us, call us on 0800 612 9597, 0800 612 9597, or go online, give us some information about your case, and we'll come back to you today with a solicitor's opinion on what he can do for you and the advice that we have for you.